What up, y'all? Back at Rams Hill. This is the second round of the day. Got Bryan Angulo right here. Good friend since high school days. Match play. Bryan's playing as a 21. I'm a 9, so he's gonna get 12 strokes. See what we can do out here.
I'll take a 13th if you want to give it to me. We'll see.
First hole, straightaway par 4. Big fairway bunker along the right. We're gonna try to stay out of that.
Rocket.
Stay out of it.
Wind will knock you.
Flirting with it, but piped it.
Right hand cut.
There it is. Look at that. Bro, how does that even happen?
Well, Brady, your trajectory was in here, you bounced up here. You're over it.
Yeah. That's unfortunate. I would have rather been in the sand, honestly.
All right. Get it over the bunker is the game plan. Like that.
That's over the bunker.
Yeah, that's over the green.
I think you're just off the other side.
Okay.
Where'd it go?
Right.
Way right?
No, right side. Trickling on.
Oh yeah, run to the hole.
Yeah, that's good. Good shot.
Cool.
Just put something in play, man. Don't be fancy. Just get it over the hump. Like that. Too much.
Hey, that's
not bad.
Good though.
Oh, wrap around. All right, make a putt.
Little downhill right to left bender.
Oh,
Just hit it too hard.
just get it close. That's not close. I'll cleaner.
That's good.
Appreciate it. Thanks, buddy. Nice lipper.
Oh, all right, I'll take a bogey. That's fine. From that crazy lie in the bunker. First par 5 of the day. All square through 1. Bryan popped there, so his double matched my bogey. Cut off the left side.
There you go.
I need to cut.
Oh, I thought it
Okay.
was curving from my view.
It should ride the slope though and be okay.
There you go.
Stay short.
Oh, we're in it. We're in it. Maybe I'm on the peninsula. Ironic enough, I was just here last round, so I got this one. I don't even know what I'm hitting. Nope. Still in it. Didn't like it. Never had it. We're out.
Almost made it out. Gotta work this one back into play. Gonna try a little trap draw sand wedge, get it around this tree and somewhat closer to the hole. Stay out of that bunker.
You're fine, you're short.
Nice. Yeah. About as good as I could do from there. We can work with that.
Redemption shot right here. Top it. Get through. Off the ring. Crumbling. Let's get it up there at least. That's not getting it up there. Go again. Open her up, get over the face. Don't go. There you go. We're out. Keep it going. Keep it going. Okay, now it's over. I'll call this one.
104, center pin, draw a lie. I think it's good. We're happy with that.
Yahoo! What a putt. Moving on.
Moving on. Pars are good. All right, hole 3 +1 on Bryan. Par 4 here. Just got to stay out of that bunker, and I'm good. Or that. Don't do that. Look at that.
What happened?
Ugh. I have a general line on it, but not optimistic.
I was off the tee box hydrating, It's hot out here in Borrego Springs, but apparently the door is open. Let's get that hole back. I don't think we're getting the hole back. Oh. Not even wasting time looking for that ball. Moving on. That'll work. Across the bunker. It'll be alright.
Hey, not the best lie. I didn't hit the best shot, so I'm just gonna try to thread the needle. Oh no. Right into the cactus, dude. Same exact thing, hitting 4. That just looks so straight, way too straight. There's no way that's good, but let's go see.
He's always leaving me. Is it my ascot? A little thick. We're alive. That's all that matters. Keep it pushing.
Gotta go high with this one. Oh, sit right there.
Somehow the door's still open. Swinging 5. Just put something up there. You gotta play the contours, Caston. Play the contours.
Save a triple. Astronomical numbers. Can't do that.
My turn. Break.
Oh.
God, dude. 2 putt to push, yeah?
Yeah.
It's going in. Oh my God, lip out king and work left.
You need this to win the hole.
This is win?
Yeah. Boom. Back to
All square, baby.
Let's have a match. You gotta capitalize on my blow-ups, Brian.
I'm trying, dude.
Yeah. Par 4. This hole absolutely ate me up earlier. Not right now. I'm gonna get one back on Brian and go one up. Let's go.
There you go.
There it is.
Stay away from the bunker.
Yeah, fly it. I think I flew it.
Yeah.
Cool.
Big bounce.
Noise, noise, noise.
Keep it together, Caston. I need you. Follow Brady. Safe. We are safe. Are we safe? Oh my God, we're going all the way up. It's on the green stuff. Brady didn't let me clean my grooves. You've seen how chunky my shots have been. Boy needs it. His fault. His fault. Brady doesn't let me clean my clubs, get a yardage. I see how he does it on his channel now. Get a sand wedge back there. Get it close. I think it's him. Blame the Brady, not the arrow.
100 yards, uphill. I'm gonna put a sand wedge on it and be aggressive. Hit the back, it should come back to the hole. Sit next to the hole. Oh, long.
Launch.
Come back. He's trying.
Trying. There it goes.
There we go. All right, should be putting. Should be on the flat stuff.
Dick, 2 C's. Here we go again. Ow, dude, that one hurt. Into the next one. Yes, dude. Yes.
Long putt here. Left to right, slightly down. See? Dude, the wind is like blowing it. Gotta bear down here.
Climb.
Aha! That's a win for the hole though.
Scrap the footage.
A loss for the soul, but a win for the hole. That's what they call that. I don't love standing on this tee box 6 over. 189 front pin, slightly into, par 3 over water. Just gotta trust this 5-iron and get it there. Oh no, that's so gone. Almost killed Bryan.
All right, got my 5 rescue here. One of my favorite clubs in my bag. Hopefully can rescue this atrocious round so far. Do something incredible. There it is. We're dancing.
Starting to love this barren wasteland golf. Found my ball up here in the middle of nowhere. Just gotta pop it right up and over these onto the green. Oh shit. 4!
You're
Through.
Love to get something close.
What speed.
Stop there.
Very grateful for this outcome. Don't know how this happened, but I'll take it.
Roll.
Go. Damn, I got it to the ridge. That's what I wanted to do.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Dubs.
Oh,
Give me the bar. Give me the bar.
that bird literally chirped me in my backstroke. Dude, he got you too. That's good.
Thanks. Got it back. Got it back, baby. Come on.
Damn, what a match we have going here, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, follow Bryan on Instagram, do it all. Follow Caston on Instagram. This is just a completely different hole than on the back tees. Basically just gonna try to hit a draw off of the biggest bunker that you can see. Everything will funnel right anyways. It's probably gonna be in it. That thing was smoked.
It's alive! It's alive! Make something happen. Lost it. Is that up?
It just popped up. Yeah, it should be straight down the fairway though.
Oh, I see it kicking. Alright, we're down there. I think with things being all square, I can still afford to be a little aggressive and keep pounding my 3-wood down there. Hopefully I catch one. There it is. Good golfer.
Could be really good though.
Yeah, I didn't see it roll up the backside, so.
This was so close to being good. Needed an inch more, we would have been at Eagleville. Now we just gotta get this thing out.
Nice out.
Thanks. There we go. Advance the ball at least a little bit. I'm happy with that. Still got a good look here after being in the bunker. 90 yards. Should be really good. Depending on the roll I get on the green, that could be really good. Maybe not.
It's back there.
Look out for the tree.
Thanks.
That's really good.
Thank you.
What a shot.
Get in. Why don't I just play it out of the trees every time?
Has to come right to left. No other option.
Has to. Get in.
Boom!
Nice putt,
Let's go. Sandy Bird, come on. Quit playing with me.
dude. With authority, baby.
Oh, nice putt. Great up and down from the trees.
If only I didn't hit my 3-wood 7 times.
Absolutely electric up and down from Bryan. Still got him though with that birdie. +1. Got a drivable par 4 here. Just got to hit that speed slot. Let's do something crazy. Let's make some magic here. It's not too late. Oh, missed the bunker. Miss it. I think it bounced over.
It did bounce over.
We're close.
You cleared.
Hell yeah, thanks.
Lost one there. Got to get it back here. Trying to take advantage of playing one up. That's a good one.
Nice.
We're skipping down there. All right. That's good.
Had delusions of grandeur again. Got caught in the bunker. Not much of a lip. Sit. Needs to sit. Oh my god.
Dunked
dude.
it.
Basically just want to go over here.
Yep.
We have a plan at least.
Nice.
Sit right there. Come on, be nice. That was too good of a shot. Reward me. There we go. Go. Oh, it did. Oh, she did.
I just didn't put it left enough.
Stay up.
Get in.
Come on. Double sandy par following the single sandy bird. What?
Don't let him do it to me. Left it below. Vogue.
Okay, number 8, number 1 handicap. Up 1 on the front. Brian's last pop hole. Gotta close him out here for the front. Stay right there.
Leaky. Might be live. He's leaking.
Yeah, get your hands nice and slippery before you
back.
grip your club.
We're back. So I don't know if you noticed, but all my drives especially start right, go right. So I'm gonna go right over these tree line right here. Hopefully it leaks back in the fairway. Just like that.
Oh yeah, dude, that was so good. That might have been the drive of the day.
Did you miss the last one? There you go.
Yeah.
That's what we wanted.
That's all I wanted. Just a healthy shot out of the bunker. First things first on the release. All right, 160 into. Oh, just absolutely close the face. Another bunker.
There.
Oh, left of the bunker, okay. Chip in for par, no big deal. Done that thousands of times.
Okay, I'm gonna go middle of the green. Middle of the green. Nice and safe, nice and cush.
There it is.
Burning.
Run up, run up. It's like Happy Bird. No. I was gonna do that. All right, one more try.
Whoa, don't do that. All right, we're just off the green. We want to run.
Oh, what a shot. God, you gotta teach me how to do that.
I'm tired of losing. I want to win.
Come on, move a little bit. Move
Oh
a
my
little
God,
bit.
he did it. Using
Let's
the
go.
whole hole.
Thanks, dude.
Cha-ching.
You're good, bro.
I'll just show you.
All right.
People at home know I can do it.
Puppy. Nice putt, dude.
It's for you.
Nice par.
Thank you, sir.
All square, 9th hole. Front side all comes down to this. This is the famous hole-in-one shot by my dad. You can see that here. Gotta go. Go. Go in. Go in. I swear to God, I think that just went in. Ding. Let's just follow in his footsteps right here. How about it? That needs to go. Wind's gonna just hold that. Damn, dude. It's fine. Up and down.
Hopefully I can just put something up there and it ain't too bad. Just like that. I like it. Short. But fine. Trickle to the hole. Didn't yank.
What's gonna happen here? Who knows? Chill.
Get a house.
No shot, that goes in the bunker.
No. Right. But we're just gonna drop it on the back of the cut, Brady. Check this shit out.
Brianna.
Break.
Oh my God, I thought that was so good off the face. Boom, nice par. Oh, okay. Brian takes the front.
Shocking.
But that front don't mean nothing. That's just one hole amongst 18. We got him. Back-to-back par threes here. 10th hole, making the turn. This is a tough hole, man. I do not love this par 3. 190 yards to that pin, dead into. Gotta at least be safe. All I want is to be safe. Bunker, that's fine. We're fine in the bunker. Just didn't want to go water.
Last 18, I smoked it full length of the lake there, so hopefully I don't do that again. I don't like how I'm actually speaking it into existence right now, but we'll move on from that. Flare. That's hitting the...
You might find it.
Maybe. I haven't had much luck with that all day. Nice and firm ground. This is a drop. I dropped out of the rubbish. I think I'm just gonna try and skip one over the bunker, hope it doesn't go in the water.
Yeah, that's actually not bad.
Needs to sit. Trickle.
Ride the ball. Sit. Sit.
It tried its hardest. It tried its hardest to save it.
Just gotta pop it right over the bunker and let it roll down the hill. Oh my God, so good. Who am I? Who is that? Who's that man? Who is that man right there? Oh, I wanted it.
Right.
Let's go. Another sandy par, come on. All square, hole 11, downhill par 5. You can get it pretty close if you find the right slot. Don't want to go too far left.
There you go. Stay there.
That's dangerous. I don't know, that's gonna be iffy.
Water on the left. Thank God I can't hit it left. So I'm gonna aim at the water. Hope it fades.
Hey!
Just like that, baby. Cut it over.
What a tracer.
Cut it on over. Oh, oh, whoa. No fear. Aim at the bunkers. Not enough club. Run one down there. Hopefully I don't chunk it like that.
Nice swing.
We're safe. A little fade. Make it a little longer than needed, but got a line.
Yeah, that's me. 182 pin, 167 front.
Nice shot, Brady.
See the number.
Oh,
Bunker?
Sandy, you love him. You love him.
Bro, what is going on?
This is a picturesque little hole. All right, 75 in. Hopefully I can connect and not take half the freaking fairway with me, but we'll see. Short. Chip it again. Oh. We're good.
I'm just so close, bro. Come on.
Keep fighting, Pop. Keep fighting. Ain't over.
Give it another go. Ball was?
Good.
God, dude.
Got a couple putts to work with. Brady's helping me out. Run one up there. Break. Check. Love it. Nice. Got it back, baby. Let's go.
Well, what better way to bounce back than a drivable par 4? Let's just put a hurting on this one. Well, it's a little low. It's not going to get there, but it's going to run up pretty close. Should be fine. Center cut.
All right. Towels back on. Keep playing safe golf like I've been doing. Up the left side. 78 is the flag. Went at the back. Hopefully it helps my sand wedge get there. Nice and easy again. Scold it. That's running off the back. Into the rocks and with the coyotes.
Only like 65 yards. Just trying to hit the green, honestly. Haven't done that all day, dude. Slam the door closed. Decel of a lifetime. Another one? Bro, what is going on? At this point, we're just trying to overcome.
taking a drop.
Trickle.
Oh, get off that face, dude. This one's fun, a little skirt off the hillside. Let's get close.
Do it. Oh, what a putt. That's putt. That's good.
You shitting me?
Another double, dude. Double dog dare me. Par 4, around the corner to the right. I have played this course 3 times now, and I've put it right of those bunkers all 3 times and found my ball. I don't want to do that again. I want to hit the fairway for the first time ever. So let's do that. Let's just hit a draw right up the middle of the fairway. Just like that. That's good. Playing from the fairway, brother.
All right, around the bunkers. I'll probably be in them. That's money. Thank you. We're just gonna send one down. Don't try and kill it, nothing special. Just like that.
Oh yeah, that was good.
Short's fine.
Nice shot.
Maybe just ran off, but yeah.
Oh, that's gotta go. Doesn't seem like enough.
Oh, I thought that kick was on.
Was it off?
No, it's off. It's short.
Damn. Yeah, I didn't think so.
Let's bird, baby. Let's bird. Gotta hit it, B. Gotta hit it. Oh, fall.
I knew it was too much sauce. Another bogey. Add it to the list. Oh. Another bogey. Add to the list.
Another bogey. But I pop. The hole is mine.
14th hole. Down 2 for the first time today. I don't like the sound of that. Downhill par 4. Nearly drivable if you find the slot. We're just going to go out and find it. I could find the slot. Just needs to miss that bunker. We'll see. It's going to be down there somewhere close to that bunker, maybe in.
In line with the mantra of the day, take advantage of the advantage. I think just stay away from the bunker. Whoa.
That's a re-tee.
Haven't done that all day. Max fly. I can lose this one. Stop trying so hard, dude. Okay, try a little harder than that. Back to back. I think I just try and punch it once. And if it doesn't work, it doesn't work.
Hey,
I think that might be too much.
that might be too much in the bunker.
Hopefully. Chunked it. In the bunker, around the face.
Just got to get this one up and over the lip. Oh, that needs to sit, dude. I'm just catching way too much of the ball. Oh, that's so good, actually. That's totally good.
Wind's pushing you, but
Come
that was
down to
decent.
the left. Bogey. Par 4 here, 471. Just want to hit right in that valley between the bunkers. Sweating up a storm. We're struggling our way through this round. I want that dub. Stay right there. I see another bunker in my future.
Nice easy swing. Get out of the tee box. Don't repeat last time.
There it is.
Dude, I did the same thing.
Man's wearing black pants in 100-degree weather.
That's what the pros do. It's what Tiger would do.
There it is. What a rebound.
Oh, just needed my caddy in my ear, dude. Where you been? Pull out from par.
That's what Tiger would do. Bunker's just absolutely destroying me today. Advance the ball. Fine. Fine with that. Let's get it on the dance floor here. Cranked it left. Another bunker, dude. Actually getting ridiculous.
That'll run. Trick one. It is going towards the hole. It's going off the back. I think I saw it disappear. Bummer.
Brutal lie. This thing is going to come out so low. Got to try to be as steep as possible. Oh yeah.
Wow.
That was about as good as I could do. Come on. Be nice to me.
All right, plan 5. Just get it up there. Maybe like that.
Sit. Oh yeah. She checked a little bit. Nice shot. Long one. Right to left breaker.
Keep going. Wind's checking you up.
Oh.
It's a good putt though.
Thanks.
Long bomb for double. Gotta make it.
Let it ride to the next hole. Down
Please.
1. I'm still down 1.
Down 1, yeah.
Down 1. Dude.
Tough. 3?
3 holes
3.
to go. All right. 187. Helping wind. All right. Let's just hit a green. Stay out of a bunker. How about that? Oh, yeah, no bunker. It might come down. We'll see.
All right, got upper 160s, about 170-ish, something in there. I don't know, getting loopy in the heat, but we're grinding it out. Alex Thies, gotta go a little bit. I think I've just left, or maybe short, can't tell. Get me close, baby, come on! A little bit of a backstop, if anything. No check, man. Big rollout. Hated it.
Texas wedge. I feel like it's gonna just drop off.
What a read.
Oh my god, bro. If that flag is leaning to the right, it's falling.
I'll give you the par.
Nah.
Alright, don't take it. Take it out.
That's too far. The haters will be in my comments.
You did comments?
Dude, I have like 4 total.
Above the hole all the way, let it fall inside door is what I'm thinking. If I would have hit it, it might have done it.
That's good. Oh, I pushed it so hard. Dude. Come on.
Come on, dude.
1 down, 2 to play. Let's go. Okay, short par 4. Down 1, 2 to play. Really got to get one back here. Bryan has a pop on 18, so that's enough to deal with.
There you go. That's out there safe.
That's got to be safe. Yep, rolling down. Staying on top of the
Riding
hill.
that ridge, yeah?
Dude, that just stayed up on top of that hill.
Yeah.
Ridge me out, dude.
Shout out Ridge Wallet, not a sponsor. Stand further away, get out of the tee box. First try this time would be sweet. I don't mind a bunker here, just not death. We're fine.
Nice drive.
Buttercuts to save me. Gotta defend, baby, defend the lead. Hopefully downhill helps me here and I hit a decent one. Oh, that's going left. Who am I, Brady? I don't get in the bunker. All right.
Okay, this is a big opportunity here. We'll make or break the match, I think. Sit there.
Oh, he's got it, girl.
All right, I'll take that all day. That's a look at bird. Come on.
Brady said, be the hero. I listen to my caddy. I always do.
Oh, it was really close. Either way, you got out left.
We're out. Ground's a little firmer than I'd like.
Oh man.
Nice
That was
and
on line,
soft.
too.
No break?
Oh.
Where's this hill? Where are you, hill?
All right. Made a par, dude. Forgot about those. Well, all square, going to 18. Brian's final pop hole. How much better of a match could we ask for?
I mean, we won't talk about the first few.
Par 5 finisher. Wraps around the lake. Anything but water is good.
There you go.
So close to being terrible, but it worked out. Stay out of that bunker, dude. It's probably in it. That's okay. We got 5 shots.
Bring it back to Terry, baby.
You want to drive up to your tees, or are you just gonna walk up?
What, dude? I can't hear you. I'll take a stroll. Keep it left. Not my strong suit, but it's about to be. That's through. Running left, right. That's the right side, sorry. They're on the fairway, baby. Front of the fairway, a lot of water, but I'm not wet yet. Basically just keep it left, man. 200-yard shot here-ish. Hopefully it runs and stays left. I'll say it again, stay left. Went left, but shortest. 200, same club. Don't do what I did last time. This time it might go in the water.
There it is.
There you go.
Great shot.
All right, we're down there.
Good recovery.
Whew. Thank God for the pop.
275 in. I don't think I'm quite getting there, but I could try to run one up. Where'd it go?
Lost in the sun.
Hit the bunker and bounced out.
Right on top of the bunker?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Healthy.
Love it, Brady.
Immediately lost it in the sun.
I believe in me. You believe in me.
Yeah.
Caston,
Yep.
love to hear it. Oh, that's fat. Gotta go. Not in the bunker. I'll take that
Where I
little
was
chip up.
last time.
Not a bad spot.
Yeah. 108 to the pin.
There it is. Yeah, go for
That
it.
should stop right by the hole, hopefully. Let's go. Come on.
Need this to push, assuming Brady makes that. Give me birdie. I'd love to do it. Right in your face by this lovely waterfall. And it's off the toe. Well, sums up my day.
Good effort.
Run it off your mark. Take it, Brady. Whoa, dude. It mattered. No, that's the second.
Good match, bro.
Ready?
That was fun, dude.
Always fun. Come on, man.
Oh yeah, give me that sweaty hug.
Yes, sir.
Caston, you're the man. Came down to 18, won it all right here. Rams Hill, Borrego Springs. Thanks for having us. Gorgeous course.
Stay hydrated.
Can't wait to come back. See you guys next time.